When you've completed your entire project and you're ready to finish off this fabric, what you're going to do is to trim the fabric about 1.5 inches all the way around. And I'm not to that point yet, so I'm not going to do that, but I will show you how to complete the running stitch so that you can pull and gather the fabric. So what you're going to do is, once this is all trimmed, you're going to take your needle around the outside edge, and you're going to take and go from back to front, front to back, back to front, front to back. Basically, you're going to create a running stitch all the way around. And then pull it through. And then whenever it's all the way around, what you're going to do is pull it, and what it will do is gather it, and it will pull it all the way to the back like that. So it's basically like a drawstring. So you'll use the running stitch to drawstring the fabric all the way to the back, and it will already be cut, and then it is ready to now hang or give.